All these videos that you see are generated for absolutely free online by using Meta AI. So now let's see how we can create this. For this, just Google Meta AI. You'll be getting the first link. Click here and you need to make sure that you are signing in. So you can easily sign in with your Facebook or Instagram account. After this, you will be taken to an interface like this. Here we cannot directly generate videos. We have to generate the image at first and then we need to animate to generate a video. This has been clearly explained in their desktop image and video generation. As you can see, first we can generate images and after that we can animate the image. So by this way it will generate a short animated video of that particular image. So just click on imagine and give your prompt over here. So I will just go with the prompt image of an eagle on a tree and run this. So I'll be getting 4 images for a single prompt and the images look super realistic. And to the left we are having these styles, moods and lighting and colors. So if you click on any style, all these images will be getting converted into that anime, 3D or doodle style. We can see that at the end of this video, but for now, let's suppose say you really like any of these images. So let's say I like this third image. I can just click on the third image and here it says animate. So I'll just click on animate. This will convert this image into a video. So you saw that, right? This is now in a video form, and if you want to download this, it gets downloaded as a video. That's how good it is. I will just go back, and what if you wanted to animate all these images generated at once? You can just click on this animate. So this will convert all the 4 images simultaneously into videos, and you can just choose the one of your choice. So as you can see, it has generated 4 videos from the 4 images that got generated. So you can just select and download the one of your choice. And let's say you want to change the aspect ratio of the video. So we can just go with this 16:9 and you can just change the prompt if you want to. I'll just go with the default one and select generate. So now it has generated images in 16:9 ratio. I want to animate this. I will just select animate. So now all the videos are in the dimension 16:9. If you want to go with the TikTok format, which is 9:16, you can also do that. And now let's play around with the styles and other options that they are having. So first it will generate the images in this particular style and then we need to convert that into video. For example, let me go with this anime style. I will just select anime. So this eagle images that got generated will be converted to anime style. It has given us in anime style images, and later we can just animate it and convert these images into video. You can either do individually. I'm just going on a group basis, and they have so many options to choose from. They're having like cartoon, 3D, doodle. You can just play around with this, and we are even having the mood. For example, let me go with this cyberpunk theme. So similarly it will generate the cyberpunk images and we need to later convert that image into a video. So this is the cyberpunk theme that looks amazing, and we even have the lighting if you want it bright, dark or neon, and also have the color theme. For example, if I go with infrared, we'll be having a reddish theme all over these images added with the cyberpunk as well as the anime. So here are the styles, right? It's mixing with cyberpunk, infrared and anime. If you want to remove any of these, you can just remove, but to be honest, it really does a great job not only in the video generation but also in the image generation process also. And another great feature over here is we can convert our own images also into animated videos. Just attach the image. So I'll just open it, and now you need to click on imagine and just type this prompt. I'm just typing it, make this realistic so that it doesn't change the image that I upload, and just run this. So you'll be getting that exact same image over here. Now you can just click on animate. So now the image has been beautifully converted to a video. So this is how you can convert your own image into videos also. That's it for the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.